Hi guys, just coming today with a really quick unboxing of the new Apple Magic Keyboard. So I'm just going to go in and open up the plastic cover here. Remove that plastic seal. There we have it. So it just slides out from the side here. Do my best to capture on camera. Lovely. And there you have it. Nice easy pull tab here so you can remove it from the casing. Now in the box here you've got your trademark lightning cable. You can use that to charge your device afterwards or charge the keyboard. You can just plug in from the back here, so instead of changing batteries all the time, it's nice and easy. Also one touch sync, so when you plug in it'll automatically sync to your Mac and you're done and configured. I'll give you a bit of a before and after here, just so you can see the comparison between the previous generation and the current generation. I'll put in some comparison shots at the end. Thanks for watching.